to do is smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Smash the like button. And subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every type of new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. everybody, that wraps this video. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comment what you thought of the drawing. Don't forget to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here are Kakashi, Naruto, Sasuke, and Sakura. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and I'm super happy with how the outcome came out. I really love how vibrant the colors came out, so hopefully you all enjoyed, and if you did, smash the like button to let me know. I'm going to be leaving some drawing playlists in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn for. They may really like, so you should check it out since it'll be in the description. They also have an Naruto drawing playlist there, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.